listahan po ng third batch ay linilinis pa. May I explain the reason why I was constrained to disclose that fact, that we are also investigating non-PDAF scams, is because pag tinatanong ho kasi ako ng media, yung sa second batch nyo, ilan ba? Bakit 8 pa lang sa first batch? Ano sa second batch, ilan? So I told them that even if yung listahan ni Ben-Hur at yung ibang mga whistleblowers ay medyo mahaba-haba, I should think that it's about more than 30 yung nasa listahan nila Ben-Hur, ay hindi ho namin pwede o hindi ho namin maigo pa yung mga kaso with respect to some, is because in the course of the validation by the NBI sa mga dokumento and even sa accounting records din po ni Ben-Hur, ay hindi naman po lahat ay PDAF. So may ilang mga lawmakers na nasa listahan nila Ben-Hur na yung mga recorded transactions based on Ben-Hur's daily transaction records ay hindi naman PDAF. So when I ask, ano ba ito? Iba-iba hong projects yan. And sabi, some are the so-called congressional insertions. But basically, medyo similar yung modus daw po. So we are investigating that. We are completing also the documents para yun ang maging third batch. Kasi yung second batch, the reason why medyo na-delay na naman is because sabi ko po, kompletuhin yung second batch, meaning isang buhos na dapat na lang yung second batch of PDAF cases insofar as the Napoles component of the PDAF scam is concerned. May I again clarify that yung ginagawa ng NBI, yung inimbestigahan at yung iba iniimbestigahan pa rin, are just the Napoles component of these scams. So hindi ho sakop lahat yung mga nandun sa COA special report. So sabi ko, yung second batch na sakop ng NBI investigation, meaning Napoles component of the PDAF scams, kung pwede ka, kung kaya, ibuhos na. Now sabi nila, yung iba kasing supposedly kasama sa second batch ay meron pang difficulty in getting the documentary support or the supporting documentary evidence from COA. Kasi may mga periods po, may mga years na hindi 2007 to 2009. Kasi madali hong nakuha yung mga source or primary documents covering the period 2007 to 2009 sa COA dahil natapos na nga po yung audit nila covering that period. Pero yung mga earlier years, 2004, 2005, 2006, medyo nahihirapan pa po. Ang nakukumpleto pa lang ata as we speak is about 6 congressmen. Although there are supposed to be between 10 to 15. So, yun po ang explanation.
Okay, thank you very much, Madam Secretary. Can you assure us of the objectivity of the investigation? Dahil alam niyo naman ho, may mga nag-float or may nag-insinuate na nililinis, you mentioned the term nililinis, is baka finifilter yung administrasyon sa oposisyon. Meron ho bang ganyan?
Hindi po. Totally wala po dito yung mga considerations of political party affiliations. In fact, may I state again for the record, kasi ilang beses na po yan tinatanong different fora, including media, na yung NBI nga po, nung nag-iimbestiga sila, at ngayon din, dito sa second batch, saka yung third batch of non-PDAF cases, ay hindi muna nila inaalam yung mga political party affiliation. Pag nandyan na po, about to be filed, ako na po mismo ang nagtatanong sa kanila, paki-research nga muna yan bago natin i-file kung ano mga political party affiliation. So dun lang nalalaman. And I don't care kung ano mga political party affiliation. Kapag nakita ko na po na kumpleto na talaga yung trabaho o o yung resulta ng trabaho ng NBI, pinapag-go ko na po, irrespective of this so-called political party affiliation. Nagtatanong sila, bakit wala pa rin administrasyon? Hindi naman namin kasalanan yun kung wala pang administrasyon so far. Although in the second batch, I cannot tell you now kung talagang may kasamang administrasyon. And even the third, non-PDAF. The third batch, which is non-PDAF. So ganun po ang ano dyan, because we really don't want that to be a consideration or a criterion or a factor at all. Katotohanan lang po based on the evidence. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. So, wala hong utos ang Malacanang for you to clean up the list of itong third batch or first batch? Walang ganon?
Absolutely none po. In fact, the President said already na wherever the evidence takes you, yun lang ang sundan at yun ang i-file irrespective of the affiliations.
Maraming salamat for that.